Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to see who have read your message in a WhatsApp group. Most of the time, if the WhatsApp group is huge, read receipts can't work anymore. So if you want to see who have read your messages in WhatsApp group, this is how to do it. Now what you have to do is to click and hold on the message and click on information. From here, you're going to see the people who have read that particular message. You can see 2 people have read my message. So that's how to see who have read your message in a WhatsApp group. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.